Hello there people, this is Lucy Louise. I keep on getting asked for the car content and I was going to do the start up of the car sort of dressed more like this, and I kept on having issues where I was able to do one bit, not do the other, all of that. Then I just had to do the car repair. I filmed it as me, but you can't really see that much of me in it. And I did get the repairs done with the wipers, the wiper motor and the wiper switch that was also broken. I made everything all work, so slip on over and there it is. So people, this is what we have. I've got to fix it all, but I had that muck up of course, and well, and the makeup was melting in my face, and it's one of them. But this is the task we have ahead. Someone else wanted to show up, didn't you, Roxy? Oh, you want to take it out for a test drive? Oh, sweet. Get asked about Roxy all the time. We also have this, part of this is bent, and it's also semi-burnt out because the wipers folded over in each other, and I got involved in the right tangle one day driving down the road in the rain. This is also the engine in this when I got it. See, but she still runs a Pearler. She's going to take some tweaking, people. See what we can do, huh? Oh, broke this. Oh, and this one here. Oh, son of a gun. Oh yeah, she's free. Oh, I thought we messed that up there. There we go, she's a coming. There we go, people, we have this one. Here is a replacement from the junkyard. Bargain, 25 quid. And I can tell someone else has been in here before for a bizarre reason, because the multi plug's not even wired in, but we've also got some damaged splines. It's not properly. There we go, look. it and we will pop. It goes on one way, that goes on that way round. There we go, we're almost home. Getting it in might be a bit more of a faff though. That doesn't feel right somehow. Excuse me, people. Oh, I can't get that one in straight away. Oh, that's a fiddly job. There we go. Oh, good. Roxy. Okay, people. Sorry, people, I might just need to review along. Also get the switch from the junkyard. On there. They got this out of a Ford Courier van. I'm trying to remember how this works again. Okay, did this need to come off first? I can't remember. Can't. That was it. That went in there like that. Yes, people, just in case anyone's going to ask, did I remove the battery? Yes, I did. That's the son of a gun ain't going in. There we go. Alright, people. Reconnect the battery back up. Alright, people, here we are. Is everything going to work, or is everything going to go wrong? Let's see what's going to happen. That works. Let's see if I can hear the wiper motor. That works intermittent. Yeah, that all works great. Oh yeah, that switch is lovely inside. Lights are all on. Yeah, everything all works. Fantastic. Well, there we go, people. Unfortunately, these shrouds here, someone had lost a couple of the screws because of screws and also hexes. But generally, people, you get the gist of it. This is what it's like when you find all these old cars and bits of link pieces, and someone's had a go and abandoned it. So there we go. We did actually get everything all working and operating. Tell you what, people, as well, we're here. Let's just check this. Yeah, that all works fine. There's a couple of them actually missing, but hey. Hang on a minute, people. Let's just see what we got here. Without slashing yourself to pieces. What do we have? Oh, hang on a minute. We got these, and just in case anyone was also wondering, these are actually different to the standard Ford car ones. These are actually the same as, I believe, I was told, Mark 345 Fiesta. So, there you go. So anyway, people, I hope you liked that in this episode of Lucy Louise. I do apologise for not sort of being dressed like this while I was doing that specific repair in the car. Just wasn't able to make it happen, so I thought you might like the video, albeit it's got up into more than one piece. But thanks for checking it out, and we'll catch you guys later on. Bye bye now, and we do a bit of a little touch of high heeling, huh? Boom. What do you think, people, huh? A lot of people like looking at these shoes and things. What do you think, huh? In from the side. Take quite a bit of walking in, but hey. See you all later on, people. Bye bye.